So here's the finished result, the final result. We have a basket weave in the back, braids up top that were coiled or rolled.
Yes.
Rolled, okay.
Sculptured.
Sculptured. Please don't mind the sirens. We're in Brooklyn. It happens. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for doing my hair in this video. My hair needed some TLC and I finally got that. Make sure you go to KeishaCharmaine.com and check out the Love Light and Locks gel. It's my brand new product. Check it out. Cop one. It's the holiday season. We have some sales for you, some bundles, so you can gift your lock to loved one.
Support Black-owned business and support products with integrity.
Absolutely. Thanks again for being on my channel, Kafele, and for having all those conversations with me. And thanks for doing my hair, of course. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love, light, and locks.
Happy holidays.
Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.KeishaCharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.